Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use Animate, Constraint and Edit multi-constraint. 2 point is very important today discuss here, and CATIA lecture 16B is you can see here, and 16 lecture CATIA lecture 16th B, and 2 point is very important. First is Animate constraint and second is Edit multi constraint. Okay, at first open a CATIA software and okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and 2 point discuss here. First is constraint and second is Edit multi constraint. Okay, this is a Animate constraint and second is Edit multi constraint. 2 point is very important and you can see here and discuss here. Okay, 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 and this is a Animate constraint and this is a Edit multi constraint. At first select a Edit multi constraint and all 4 point is discussed here. First, second, third and fourth, all 4 point is offset. This point is created. Okay, this is 100 and this is a red point is red color is a connect a selective, and this is other is this red color is select here, and this 200 red color is 200 offset and 190 is 190. Okay, and this is a change the value is 200, this means 200. Okay, this is a okay, change the value. Okay, and edit means this 200 means 190. Okay, okay, and this is a maximum tolerance and minimum tolerance. Tolerance is also defined. Okay, this is okay, okay, and last point is a Animate constraint. Animate constraint is a this Animate constraint is active and this dimension is select and this line is pop up. Okay, this figure and this diagram is pop up, and this first value and this is a second value. Number of step, the first value is already you can see here, and second value is 400 and number of step 90. This means this 90 190 value, and this is increase the 100 this is a 400 and animation ki 190 to 400 increase the value is animation, you can see here. Okay, okay, this is a okay 190 already, and this is a okay, this is a increase the value, and already continue is this point is a okay, and this is a okay, this is a okay. At first value is 190 and second value is 400 is increase the dimension. This is a animation. Okay, okay, this is a 400. Okay, 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 this also a 200, select a okay, 200 means 400. Okay, 90, this is a 2 and select okay, this is a 200. Okay, okay, 400 a this 200 is into change the 400 is this is the animation dimension. Okay, okay, this is a define the dimension. Okay, okay guys, this 2 point is discussed here one by one, and this animate constraint and second is edit multi constraint. 2 point is explain all this point deeply and clearly. Okay guys, CATIA lecture, next lecture coming soon. And okay, okay guys, get at first more and more new videos coming soon. At first see, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.